Everyone has goals and dreams for the future, but sometimes they feel far away and hard to reach. Reverse engineering. Your long-term vision means starting from your goal and working backward to figure out the exact steps to get there. This method helps make big dreams manageable and clear. Step 1. Define your long-term vision. First, be very specific about your long-term vision. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in 5, 10, or 20 years? What does success look like for me? Write it down in detail. The clearer your vision, the easier it will be to plan the path. Step 2. Identify the milestones. Next, break your vision into smaller milestones. These are important checkpoints that move you closer to your goal. For example, if your vision is to become a published author in 10 years, your milestones could be: write your first book draft in 2 years, find an editor in 3 years, submit to publishers by year 5. These milestones help you track progress and stay motivated. Step 3. Determine the skills and resources needed. Look at each milestone and ask, what skills do I need to develop? What resources or support will I require? For the author example, skills might include creative writing, editing, and marketing. Resources could be writing courses, a mentor, or time set aside daily to write. Step 4. Create a timeline. Now, assign realistic deadlines to each milestone. This timeline acts as your roadmap. Be flexible, but try to keep yourself accountable. Timelines help turn vague ideas into concrete actions and keep you focused on consistent progress. Step 5. Plan your daily and weekly actions. Finally, translate your milestones and timeline into daily and weekly tasks. What can you do today, this week, or this month to move toward your first milestone? Small, consistent steps add up over time and make your long-term vision achievable. Conclusion. Reverse engineering your long-term vision makes big goals less overwhelming. By clearly defining your vision, setting milestones, identifying needed skills, creating a timeline, and planning daily actions, you can turn dreams into reality one step at a time. Start today by writing down your long-term vision and take the first small step toward it.